Use a T20 bit to remove the 10 screws securing the service cover. Unplug the 7 connectors connected to the main PCBA. Replace it with a new main PCBA and plug in all the connectors. Route all the wires in the wire traps. Insert a metal rod in the stabilizer hole and use a 14mm socket to remove the bolt securing the blade. Continue to remove the washer, blade, and the fan. Use a T20 bit to remove the screw securing the deck. Remove the decorative cover with a flathead screwdriver. Use a T20 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the battery box. Unplug the 4 connectors as shown in the video to remove the battery box. Use a T20 bit to remove the 3 screws securing the motor cover. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 3 bolts securing the blade motor. Replace it with a new blade motor and tighten with the 3 bolts. Tighten the motor cover with the 3 screws. Install the battery box and plug in the connectors. Route all the wires in the wire traps. Tighten the battery box with the 2 screws. Install the decorative cover. Tighten the screw to secure the deck. Install the fan, blade, washer, and tighten with the bolt. Install the service cover and tighten with the 10 screws.